Okay, everyone out there in the boat world that's got Yamaha 150s, or even other outboards, I came out and ran the dipstick out, and I found that the oil was murky and the viscosity was down, and the oil level is really high. So, in the midst of doing some research and making phone calls, I learned that these engines can make oil, which is indicative of the thermostat sticking. So we'll change that out and have a look. So I'm just gonna, I already pre-loosened these, but we're gonna take these bolts off. We're gonna have a look at the thermostat and determine if this is indeed the case. If that's the case, I'll suck all the oil out and then we'll change the thermostats. So just an update to the thermostat. I took the cover off the plate, and what you can see is if you look at the thermostat, it has got some serious issues going on. So I'm going to pull all this out and have a closer look. And in the meantime, just so you know, if you're looking at a 150, this is a 2009. Here's the oil filter. You go up right to the top of the engine and just over, and there's the thermostat. This is the cover, and there's the thermostat. And we're going to pull that out. So we're just going to take the thermostat out. It just kind of hovers there, and lo and behold, this is in seriously crappy condition. That looks like salt water and corrosion. Flip down the other side into the thermostat hold and see what's down there. So we're going to replace this, obviously, and go from there. We'll do the other side. So this is the starboard side 150, the Yamaha. It too, taking this housing off for the thermostat. Pulled it off. It's 3 bolts. It's a 10 mil. And then came in and wiggled the thermostat off. You can see that it's corroded. So I'll head over to Yamaha and grab a couple of these. When you are checking your oil and you do see it's milky, have a smell. If it smells like there's gas in it, that's indicative of the thermostat's going. Real easy. It takes maybe 2 minutes aside to pull these thermostats out. Just remember, at the top of the housing of these, above the belts, above the all this stuff, the flywheel is this plastic housing. It's super easy. Just pop it off. Comes off. These 3 bolts. So I don't know if you remember from the last video, watch that back, but that was pretty corroded. Nice and fancy here. Put it inside. And we'll attach the plate here. So I learned always it's a good thing to kind of wet your whistle on the filters. So a bit of oil around this O-ring, and we'll get that on. Here we're good and hand tight. Just start these off by hand, get them all squared away, and we'll put the ratchet on them and tighten up. Never over tighten. And that was the same with the oil filter there.